Hey guys, today we're going to be building a end table with a charging station on the side and in the back. Just toss this together real quick. Put the styrofoam over there so it doesn't get on the carpet or anything. A little baggie, block, wood. Take this out of here. This is a relatively small end table, but should be perfect for any small size, decent sized living room. It comes with the cable for the charging station that it comes with inside of it. We got the instructions in a little thing baggie right there. Very minimal amount of pieces. Wrapped pretty nicely, honestly. I like the dark wood color on this. And this looks like the last piece. So I'm just going to take all this wrapper and stick it right back in here. And close this up and set this off to the side. Alright. So we got our instructions. Pretty simple. Looks like only 2 pages here. It folds out. First page tells you everything you're going to have. We're going to open this up here. It looks like it's going to be all our nuts, bolts, and screws here. It does come with a hex key, which is perfect, but we do have screwdrivers for that. Alright, so I think that's everything in the bag. Everything else comes in a nice little bag right here, and everything is bagged inside the bag inside the bag. Alright, we got that screwdriver. Oh, this is a nice little screwdriver. And all our little nuts and bolts and whatnot. And I'm pretty sure, let me see, I don't know if they're all, yeah, they are. So they're all labeled number-wise. So let's make it pretty easy. So we have our first step, number 1, is base 5, and all the screws and stuff are labeled. So we got our A1 screws here. We're going to take this out, and it tells us we're going to need 4 of these. Set that up, have it just like the picture is, and we're going to take 4 of these. So you put those 2 in there, and I'll put my 2 in here. And you want to make sure you put them in straight down, so that way it doesn't mess the wood up or anything. Like that. Push that in. Down, 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 down. Alright, there's 1. Put in number 2 here. Alright. Make sure they're all in all the way. It should be pretty flush with the wood there. Our 4 A1 screws in. I'll set the A1s off to the side, and it tells us the next step. We're going to need board number 2 and number 3. So this is number 4. This is number 2. All right, and it tells us the 2 holes are going to be facing up like that. And just push down onto there. That bag off to the side, and we're going to need board number 3. And there are 2 board number 3, so I'm pretty sure it doesn't matter which one you use. So it tells us number 3 has these 2 holes on the side here, so that is going to be stuck facing out like that. And then you're going to take your A2s and put those right into the little holes. Have them facing towards the screw so you can tighten that in like this. So put that in there like that. Nope. I don't think that's in right. Now you want to have this open part facing towards the screw there. Should be kind of like that. There we go. Just slide right in there all the way. Screwed that in. Should go in all the way like that, once you put it in right. And as he puts that one in, I'm going to put in my board 2. That right in there. Missed this hole. There we go. Alright, do the same exact thing on this side. You do that hole. I'll do this one. tighten that real good, like so. This is gonna be a breeze right here. Should go like decently fast. Is that one in there?
Yeah.
Tightened. Good. Let's. Is that in all the way?
Yeah.
What about this one? This one doesn't look like it's in, but.
Maybe as much as you can tighten them.
Okay. So then we'll move this real quick as we get board 4 out. Number 4 is going to be this piece. Screws are facing up, I'm pretty sure. Let's see. I think this end here. And this is where we're going to get our power strip here. Power strip Z. Yeah. I'm going to undo this cable here real quick. Actually, probably don't need to undo it right now. Make sure the side with 4 holes on board 4 faces up.
What are the P screws for those?
Okay, so we're going to need our P screws, which are
2 of them.
Here, the super tiny ones. Put that here. Only got a couple of those. Ah! Oh, the bag broke. That's why it wasn't going out. There we go. Only got 3 of those there. So it will go in like so. So I'm gonna guess it's gonna go down here through this end and just sit right here, or other way. Sorry, there's only one way it can go in because it has those tiny little holes for the P screws. So it's gonna go in like this through here and sit just like that. So our P screws are going to go in this tiny hole, so you do this hole right here. Oh, put that one in that hole. Gonna have to screw that one in real good.
Maybe the other screwdriver would work better.
Yeah, we try. Is it aligned with this hole? Yeah.
We can do it all the way.
Yeah, get this one in now. Right there. This one in 90% of the way, then get your other one in pretty much 100%, and then just tighten them all at the end. There we go. It's in there nice and good. Yeah. And then, so we just have our board, this, and our screws. And now, it's going to go on top of this right here. I want to see if maybe...
I think it'll be more sturdy when you put this one.
You think so?
Yeah.
So we'll take this, set this off to the side, have our board like that, and then take our board we had, and I think it's going to go just right there. The holes lined on the top. And now we will take our B screws, nice long ones here, and just go all the way through with these. Here's my screwdriver. There we go.
Need a Allen key.
Huh?
Yeah, Allen key.
Okay, so you do need a key for this. So I'm pretty sure just screw what you can in with your fingers, and then we'll use the key to tighten it all off.
These aren't aligned.
Okay, it's fine. You just bring the board in like that. Now tighten it in with the key. What you can with your hand, and then use your key. The key's right over there. Here. It's nice because it's got 2 actual outlets, and then it's got 2 USB outlets here, which are really nice. That comes in handy a lot, especially if you want to charge your phone or something like that. Yeah, shooting those all the way in, pretty much. Alright, while he tightens those, we're going to look at the next step here. Alright, so that's where we add the last pieces here, the 2, the 3, and then this top part here, so it'll be pretty easy. Guess how this goes on. This part is our number 1 board, which goes on at the end. Ooh. Oh, wait a minute.
What?
Oh, we're supposed to turn the this board upside down so that the outlets face downward that you plug in from the bottom. Hi, Mama. Alright, so what we needed to do after step 3, this was my mistake, but you're supposed to flip this board because we're building, this is the top, and we're building it from the top down, or top up, I guess, but just gotta line the holes up, get whatever we can in first, and then we'll screw it all in with the key. Right there. Tighten that bad boy down.
That had to be flush with the
Alright.
edge.
Get the rest of those in there, nice and steady. Alright. Next step should be pretty simple. Just like we did with this bottom piece, put in board 3 and 2, exactly almost how we did the other one, pretty easily. That in, nice and tight.
What do we need after this?
Then we just get these boards 2 and 3 on there.
Last one.
Tighten the last key on there. And the key. Get these separated. I'm trying to get these out of here. I'll worry about that in a minute. There we go. Get it in there yet? You can turn it the other way, like vertically, so you don't have to keep taking it in and out.
Not really.
Oh no.
No, it's a lot less leverage.
Almost there, give it one more crank. Alright, sweet. Now
That's
we
done.
build these pieces. So we're going to take these screws and put them in here. 3, 4, again, just like last time. Taking our screwdriver and just screwing them in like we did before. Remember, try to get it as straight as you can when you're putting it in there.
Yeah.
Nice and tight. That. Okay. Now we'll take this piece, put it right on there. I already put the little metal pieces in there. Then we just tighten these on here real quick. Alright, and we'll get this piece, this board, get these right in there properly. And this one here.
So we're going this upside down and then
Yeah, you got it.
just flip it over. There we go.
It's not in there properly. There we go. Tighten this one. Alright. Okay, and then our next piece is just going to be this last one. Level 1 here. We have these 4 corners here. So it's going to go like this onto here. I don't think we need these edges on here just yet. Put them on there after we're done with the build. There's just like safety corners there. So then, take your board and take, I'm guessing, our last couple of those long screws.
Are these?
Yeah.
There's only 3. Oh, there's 4.
There's 4, 5. Okay, so get your screws in here. I'm gonna get that one in.
There we go.
Alright, and then I'm trying to find this one's. Where's the key at?
I'm using it.
Oh.
Hey, whoa, whoa, whoa. Alright. So just that one.
Alright, then you also have the option of just having stoppers on the bottom or wheels. We're going to put the stoppers on there, just see how those ones work for us here. Pretty sure you just screw them in. Yeah. You just screw the wheels on there, or the little pads, like that. Just hand tighten them. Like this. You have one more screw in there. That. 2 little pads. I prefer the pads because usually the wheels can just be like all a little wobbly, so this one will just work out perfectly. And then you can take your little corners here, your protective corners, and just slide them on there if you'd like. The wheels do, or these kind of block them. If you're using the wheels, I think they wouldn't impede them.
Those wheels are bottom there.
Oh, this is the top.
Yeah, it's
oh
top.
Yeah, you
So.
put down the top, but yeah. That's all of that. All tightened now.
Yep.
Alright, sweet. Now flip this bad boy over. Yeah, you gotta put the other 2 pads on here real quick.
Wait, what was this for?
For the wheels.
Oh.
Alright, and there it is, a little nightstand. Alrighty guys, so here is the nightstand in full view. It works perfectly. As you can see, it's connected to the charging cable down there. It holds a decent amount of stuff on there. I could put a lot more if I wanted to. And it looks great in the space. I like the black on it. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.